Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device and version so you know which controls apply. Next, long press an empty spot on the home screen to reveal widgets, home settings, or edit. This is where the search bar is managed. Once visible, tap Home Settings or the search bar widget itself to access its options. If the built-in settings don't show a remove option, make sure you have an alternative launcher like Nova or Launchair installed and ready. Those let you hide persistent widgets explicitly. Now focus on directly removing the widget. Tap and hold the search bar until drag handles appear, then drag it to remove or delete at the top or bottom of the screen. If that option is absent, open Home Settings and look for toggles labeled Search Widget, Google Feed, or Persistent Widgets. Turn them off. When the bar is still non-removable, you can disable the Google App widget via App Info or change to an alternate launcher. When you make that switch, the persistent search bar typically disappears. Finish by restarting the launcher or rebooting the device so changes fully take effect, then swipe through all home pages to ensure the bar is gone. If the result is inconsistent, reinstall or update the launcher and repeat removal steps. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the launcher's cache and data or disable the Google App widget in App Info. This resolves cases where a persistent search bar reappears. If needed, switch permanently to an alternate launcher that gives
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.